Good afternoon and welcome to a session on FAQs of CBM, Communication for Business and Management. Here are a few questions pointed by MBA students and I wish to take up them one by one. The first question of the slip that was forwarded to me is making prediction and guessing the meaning of unfamiliar words. So far as the first part of this question is concerned, making prediction. Here I would like to explain the same with the deductive logic. How can we make predictions? And when we are going to make prediction, let me explain what is unfamiliar. What is unfamiliar? The thing that we don't came across earlier in the journey of our academics, may it be a paragraph, may it be a sentence, may it be a phrase, or may it be a chapter, or may it be a particular subject, new subject. That is, at the beginning, at the outset, it remained unfamiliar to us. Here we are going to talk in the terminology of words. But let us look at how deductive logic works in guessing the meaning. So, first of all, a thing that is unknown to me is unfamiliar. When we are going to talk about a particular book, inside the book, certain chapters may be unfamiliar. Inside the chapter, certain paragraphs may be unfamiliar. Inside the paragraph, certain sentences may be unfamiliar. Out of a particular sentence, certain phrase may be unfamiliar. Out of these phrases, certain words may be unfamiliar. Out of these words, now here I would like to say certain, we can say, here the question is how to make prediction for guessing the meaning of unfamiliar words. When we are going to look at the words, let us see a few methods of guessing. So first, I would like to say guessing the word's meaning by the method of compounding, breaking the meaning of compounding. What is the compounding? Compounding stands for one word plus another word, and then one word plus another word, and it will be making another third word of meaning. For example, there are certain methods. Noun plus noun is equal to noun. Foot plus ball is equal to football. And carom plus board is equal to carom board. When you are looking for similar, there can be certain more words. Gerund plus noun is equal to noun. Dining plus table is equal to dining table. And crowning plus glory is equal to, then here gerund plus glory adjective, and then crowning glory. So that way you will find even preposition plus preposition is equal to another preposition. In plus to is equal to into. Here up plus on is equal to upon. That way you can guess the meaning of these words. After compounding, there are certain methods for guessing the meaning of unfamiliar words. Like you can break words into syllable, and after that you will try to guess a word is having how many syllables, and based on the etymological development structure you can try to guess the meaning. Like syllable itself is having 3 syllables, and after that like cell, lab, lab. So that way you will try to guess the first like meaning of the first syllable, second syllable, third syllable. Then there is another method identifying the meaning of the root. You will try to understand the meaning of the root word, and then you will try to guess it. Then you will follow based on that. Here also inside compounding, I would like to give you one example. Take the word for example philosophy, and if you will look at the word, you will break it. You will break the compounding part, philos plus sophia. You will look at the origin. Philos means love, Sophia is the Greek goddess of knowledge and learning. So philosophy stands for love for knowledge and wisdom, and that way philosophy means quest for true knowledge and eternal truth. So that way after breaking the word into compounding you can get the meaning. And then you will try to see the root, and after that you will follow the method of affixation. So when you talk of affixation can be divided into 3 parts: prefixes, suffixes and infixes. Prefixation, infixation and suffixation. When you will be talking of prefixes, so you can also guess the meaning, whether a prefix is making a term opposite like anti, national, anti-national. Clear? And then whether a prefix is like in the making the nature of elevating the meaning, adding something to the meaning of the root word. And then infixation, even inside the word prefix, pre itself is a prefix. Pre plus fix. Fix is the root and pre itself. Pre means prior. So something which is added prior to a particular word in particular root is known as prefixation. When we talk of infixation, so infixation means if certain change is coming in the particular word, that will be an example of infixation. For example, man plus plural is equal to men. So the change is coming where in between the word. Woman plus plural is equal to women. And then ultimately you will realize suffixation. Inside to add the meaning. Suffixation can be of 2 types: class changing suffixes, class maintaining suffixes. Clear? So ship and hood, childhood, class maintaining. Noun plus it will make the word remain noun. Clear? Then there will class changing like kindly, kindness, kindly. So ly, beautifully, beautiful, beautifully. So based on that the compounding word will be the meaning in this way. So what you will do, you after guessing the meaning of the word, making prediction of the unfamiliar word. For example, I would like to give you one compound phrase here, and that is information superhighways. Information super highways. This phrase you can judge very quickly after breaking it. Information super highways. Highway plus yes, making it plural. So information super highways stands for making the seamless functioning of technology, or establishing a technological platform where you can communicate through ICT. What is ICT? Information and communication technology. So that way, and similarly by guessing that you can guess technical sentences or technical phrases or top sentences meaning after reading. You can also apply this other way. You read the words, read the sentence many a time. You can guess the meaning of a particular word. You can read the paragraph. You can guess the meaning of a particular phrase that is not familiar to you, and then later on you can also guess the meaning. After reading the chapter time and again, you can also guess the meaning of a particular paragraph. After making the practice consistent repetition, you can also guess the meaning of a particular chapter. So this is the method where we can develop our cognitive learning and for guessing the meaning of unfamiliar word. These are certain technical tools. Thank you.